Are you looking for the perfect carry-on bag? Well, I got the one for you. And, you know, we had to pack a lot into this bag. My girlies who overpack, this is the perfect carry-on bag for y'all. Hey y'all, welcome to Letters to 30. I'm Nicole, and I'm heading to the airport right now, so I don't have much time. Literally, gotta leave in like 10 minutes. So we're gonna keep this cute, keep this quick. But I wanted to stop and come on and chat with y'all because I am catching a Spirit Airlines flight. This is my first time catching a Spirit flight, y'all. And I refuse to pay $80 for a carry-on. I refuse to pay for a checked bag. Now, if this was a long trip, I'd be like, Nicole, like, just do it. Like, don't, sell yourself short. Just, you're going on this trip, travel is expensive, whatever. It's really starting to set in now that I'm about to be on a Spirit flight, but it was a cheap, like $120 flight to get from LA to Baltimore round trip. So you can't beat that. But I knew that I was not paying $80 each way for a carry-on bag because what? So I did a video about what I packed for a 24-hour work trip, and I carried my Baboon to the Moon bag, and it did really well. Y'all seem to really like the Baboon to the Moon bag, so I want to show y'all for a weekend trip. I'm going to be there from Saturday to Tuesday, so a little over a weekend. I want to show y'all what I pack in my Baboon to the Moon bag, okay? But first, let me show you guys, or at least tell you guys what the name of this bag is before we get started. So this is a little bit about the bag before we get started. It is the Baboon to the Moon, and I will put text up so because I know it's like, how do you spell that? You get 15% off your order. These bags are not cheap. It was a gift from my partner, but they're so quality. And I recommend them, especially for the girlies who are on the go all the time. It's so good. So it is called the Go Bag Basic Small. It's 40 liters. This is what it looks like on the website. Look, they got that get 15% off because they know. Because it is $165. That's kind of crazy for this small of a bag, but I'm telling y'all, it's worth it. It's one of those, like, you'll have it for a lifetime bag. So for the details, it says fits about 3 to 5 days worth of clothing, and if traveling by way of airplane, is a TSA approved as carry-on luggage. We're using it as a personal bag for Spirit, so we're going to use this as a personal bag. Size and specs, because I did look it up, is the height is 10.5 inches, width is 20.5 inches, and the depth is 12.5 inches. So that basically fits what the personal item is for Spirit. So if they give me any problems, y'all, and I end up paying $80 for this carry-on bag, y'all are going to know because I'm going to try to vlog a little bit while I'm in the airport so y'all can see my process. And y'all know how you put like the bags into the space, the sizing kind of, whatever, y'all know what I'm talking about. When you go to the airport and they make you put your bag in the thing, I'm praying that I don't have no problem. For this bag, you can pay in full, and it's just quality. There's a lifetime warranty. I don't know what that means. They be saying that. I'm like, what does that mean? Can I send it back and get another one for free? Do y'all repair it? How do y'all repair it? Whatever. That's besides the point. The point is that I packed this bag up. So I'm going to Maryland to see Beyonce. This is the Cowboy Carter Tour. This is my Baboon to the Moon bag. Let me back up. So it has one big compartment, but it has this right here that you can put things. But let's go through what I have in this bag because it says 3 to 5 days worth of stuff, and I do agree with it. They be reaching a little bit, but I do agree, okay? And y'all don't really be needing half the stuff that y'all put in these bags anyway. So let's go through it. So I have an outfit for day one. I'm going to Pilates with my bestie the next morning. So this is my Pilates outfit. This is in there. I've got my laptop at the bottom of the bag. Here's my laptop. Always put your laptop at the bottom of the bag. So that's my laptop, okay? Then I have these slippers. Very, very compact. This is what I wear around the house because, we don't be barefoot around the house. On the side pouch. So that's on what's on one of the side pouches. And then on the other side pouch, I have deodorant. I have my shower cap, my eye mask. My scarf, very quick, accessible things. On this top pouch, I have a few masks because y'all, germs still are on planes, tampons, quick things I need to access. Okay, so that's what's in here. Not too much, but all my essentials. So because this is a quick trip, I'm wearing this airport outfit. I plan to wear this outfit on the way back. This outfit is by Uniglow. Uniglow, is that how you say it? Very comfortable. I'm going to wear the same fit on the way back. This is for Sunday. This is for Monday morning Pilates. In here is my undies, my bras, my undergarments. And then, did I already say I'm going to the Cowboy Carter concert? Did I already say that? Oh, well, I'm going to tell y'all again. I'm going to the Cowboy Carter concert. So I have that fit in here. And even another, like a skirt option. So here's my Cowboy Carter fit. Then I have another skirt option. I have my pajamas, and then I have a pair of shorts, okay? So I showed y'all Monday morning. This is Monday night. Then I have a pair of shorts for Tuesday to wear during the day, and I'm probably going to wear the top that I buy at Beyonce on Tuesday during the day. And then I leave Tuesday night. So I am going to put this outfit back on because this outfit is not, it cannot be picked lightly. You get what I'm saying? Like this outfit takes up a lot of space. So that has my underwear, my pajamas, an outfit, and a pair of shorts in here. This has all of my makeup and all of my small travel essentials. So I have like mini lotions and some of this stuff I could definitely like have at my parents and my best friend's house, but you know, only the things that I need are in here. So these are my travel essentials. I have my sandals, one pair of sandals. So I have one pair of sandals, and I'm having the sneakers that I'm wearing with me. I'm going to have them on. But these are my sandals for the concert and for Sunday during the day. So this is my concert bag and all of my, like, I need to get this right now. So my wallet, my lip gloss, my chargers, my headphones, perfume, that's in here. So that's what's in this bag. It's a lot in here, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, the bag is stuffed to the rim. So we don't have a lot of room to work with. But see, that's the only thing about showing y'all. Now I have to fit it all back in here. Okay. But we're gonna do it, and it's not gonna be a problem. See, the thing is the sandals. These sandals are a little bulky. But you gotta do what you gotta do for Beyonce, and I just bought them. And then we're gonna put this in here. And then we're gonna put this on top. All right, let's just hope it closes. Okay, bet. Yep. Okay, so here's my bag. Y'all see how stuffed it is, though? It's pretty stuffed. But to not have to pay for a $80 carry-on, yeah, it's stuffed, y'all. So hopefully it can get into that little does your bag fit in here space. But I think I'm good. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to take some video at the airport. So hopefully this is the last time I'm seeing y'all. But if it is, like, comment, and subscribe. And go get you a Baboon to the Mag. Go get you a Baboon to the Moon bag, okay? I'll put a link down below. And like, comment, and subscribe if you like this sort of content. I'm a travel girly. I haven't been traveling much recently, but it's starting to pick up. So if you like this sort of travel content, I'll do more of it. Let me know what y'all like. And I'll see y'all at the airport. Bye, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget.